Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I got a plan here for ADBE. ADBE is set up to test 243 to 250 for the next SPY run. The May 18 230 calls are best to use. You know, these are actually the ones I wanted to show up. Some of them are not showing up, but these are the ones that are showing up. These also have good open interest, the May 18 230 calls. Now, ADB needs to. I will explain inside the video. You know, the key here, people, is a confirmation. Now, I will be telling the confirmation plan inside of a power group trades. So let me show you what I'm talking about. But let me talk about what, you know, again, my theory here is that you know, this is a great stock. Another one I like is Home Depot. On confirmation that the SPY, since we did hold support, is going to run to test 230 273 to 275, and then of course I'll be making more updates. But anyways, let's not talk about that right now, people. Let me show you something. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trade Confirmation. See this, people? Confirmation is key. That's right, people. Confirmation is key. Now listen to you. If you want to become a group member, okay, this video explains how to become a group member inside of Power Group Trades, okay? There's certain rules you need to follow. And okay, this is a free group to be in, right? But I really like... anyways, just listen to this video. It tells you what you need to do to become a special member inside of Power Group Trades. Now, let me show you some more information. Let's go to my YouTube channel right here, people. This is very important. I want to show you something. I want to show you something. When you're new, you're gonna have a welcome screen like this. In this welcome screen video, I really talk about a lot of great things. You want to listen to this video. But right for now, let me get back to this ADB plan. All right, people, this is a good plan to check out here. It has not confirmed yet. Power Trigger Trade, people. Power Trigger Trade. All right, listen, people. I made a graded playlist. Inside here, you're gonna see some great documented facts of why the SPY is going to 300. And of course, I make live streams on Wednesday usually. And also inside this created playlist is detailed, I call big picture plans that were given just like this format, from the beginning of the plan to the execution of the plan to the ending of the plan. Very visual for one to study and learn and grow from, right? Because all my plans are detailed instructions just like this. They're plans executed from confirmation to which options, giving you an idea of which options at least to use, and then targets. Okay, targets. Of course. Anyways, you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Now, you should subscribe to this YouTube channel. I do live streams. I do talk and explain things and so on. And of course I document everything. Is a documentation here. So YouTube channel. So there's a wealth of information here, people. So if you have an account already, you can you know, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. You're going to see a picture of me inside in this video, and it's going to be in a circle format. You simply click on it. It'll give you an easy way to subscribe. And at the same time, if you don't have one YouTube account, get one, and then come here. You don't have to have, you know, YouTube. You just get a YouTube account, and then you can subscribe. This way, you can like the videos. You could be, you know, it's part of the process. Trust me on this. Anyways, so let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade Saturn here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link, and don't forget there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.